Welcome to day 21 of our complimentary training series, 21 Days to Better Loan Processing, brought to you by Peak Performance Coach Stephanie Graham and CompleteMortgageProcessing.com. Today's topic is Invest in Your Success. Since this is the last topic for our complimentary series, 21 Days to Better Loan Processing, we chose a topic that has the potential to make a big difference in your life, and that is taking responsibility for your own success. One of the biggest struggles among the thousands of mortgage professionals we've worked with seems to happen when their employer has inadequate resources for the team's productivity and growth. Many brokers start on a shoestring budget and choose the fly-by-the-seat-of-your-pants training method. In those instances, the processor will usually struggle daily and often quit when their physical, health, or financial well-being has been jeopardized for far too long. Maybe this is you or someone you know. Maybe it's not that you're struggling, it's that you're simply not moving forward, not getting the raises, not getting the recognition, not getting a promotion. You're just hovering in the same place, going through the motions day after day after day. The key to shifting stagnant energy like this is to invest in yourself. I've had many times in my life where things were not moving forward at the pace I wanted. When I made the decision to invest in myself, I began to see movement in my life. Oftentimes, I'd see something positive happen the same day. I always love when the universe sends me a confirmation that I made the best decision. Today, I'll share a few ideas that will help you thrive no matter what is happening in your environment. You have to be deeply committed to your own success regardless of what's going on around you. A big part of that commitment is investing in yourself. I'm not just talking about a monetary investment. Yes, money's definitely a part of it, but there are other ways to invest in yourself that are equally as powerful. 3 significant ways that you can invest in your success is 1, invest your time. 2, invest your resources wisely. And 3, invest your money. Let's talk about each of these 3 areas in a little more detail. Investing your time. Often, investing in your success is just a matter of devoting time to your mental, physical, and emotional well-being. An example of focusing on your emotional well-being is taking the time to hone your expertise. The stress goes away when you are clear and confident about what you're doing at work. You're not scared that you're going to mess up. You're not afraid that someone will find out just how little you know. The worry of not being good enough goes away. Many financial institutions have corporate training departments that can make it easy for you to hone your expertise. You can take classes online or in person that will improve your performance at work. If this is something that's not available where you work, find out what resources are available with the lenders that you work with. And of course, there are lots of independent coaching resources like what we offer here at Complete Mortgage Processing. Another example of investing your time is nurturing and nourishing yourself. All that takes is time. When I nurture myself and focus on my physical and mental well-being, I get clarity about those very things that were making me feel overwhelmed. Not long ago, I was dealing with a ridiculously grumpy client. Frankly, I had run out of positive and professional things to say to him. My children find it quite entertaining when I get to that point. Finally, I decided to step away from the situation and allow myself a moment to eat something healthy and to meditate. And once I did that, the resolution emerged easily and effortlessly. It was an awesome solution that was far better than anything I had imagined while I was sitting at my computer. You can get similar results when you take a little time away from a problem and stretch or exercise, do breath work, take a walk, or even sing or listen to a song. Let's talk about investing your resources. Are you leveraging the resources that you already have? Often, the very thing you need is right in front of you. Sometimes you can't see it because you need to expand your view of what's possible. There was a point in my career where I was struggling to keep pace. I was processing loans and doing both credit and appraisal review on every file. After noticing that I was struggling a bit, my husband offered to help. At first I said, no, I've got this, but finally I gave in. And in no time, he took over some of the early stage activities like ordering appraisals, flood certs, title work, payoff, VODs, and VOEs. That allowed me to focus on the important things like analyzing credit and appraisals, and then submitting clean files to underwriting for any deals that were beyond my credit authority level. When I got caught up, I noticed that other team members that I assumed were just super duper processors were actually receiving support too. Somehow I just hadn't noticed it. Processors were teaming up to support one another or borrowing clerical staff to help with some of their loan processing tasks, similar to what I had my husband do. Other team members took a day during the week off and then worked on Saturdays so that they could have the quiet time they needed and were guaranteed to be undisturbed. It seems that I was struggling unnecessarily. Management was pretty flexible with how we did things so long as the production team met their goals for the month. This was definitely a lesson in working smarter rather than harder. What resources do you already have access to that can be used in a different way? Something to think about. And the final category is investing your money. And that's last but definitely not least. No matter where I worked or what my job was, I always took career-related courses to make sure that I could learn more and be ready for the next opportunity for a promotion. I took systems training, time management courses, leadership skills training, and anything else I thought would make my life easier. At a time when only branch managers were being trained in loan origination, I found a way to be allowed to participate in the training as an assistant bank manager. And that was huge for my career because I was able to get promoted to other local and regional positions much faster than other people because I had loan origination skills. I also asked to shadow a few company veterans and made it my point to learn from anybody who was willing to share their wisdom. With the option to take classes online these days, it's so much easier to sharpen your skills. You can visit our website at CompleteMortgageProcessing.com and download our loan processing careers sheet to get an idea of what skills you might need to qualify for a specific loan processing job. There are so many levels of loan processing. Then you can find a training program like what we offer or something offered somewhere else to help you reach the level that you want to be at. It's important that you take inspired action and invest money in your success before things get tough. When participants wait until there's trouble at work to enroll in our course, the road uphill is much more challenging. So many of us don't say yes to ourselves soon enough or often enough. How long has it been since you gave yourself permission to transform your career? We've come to the close of this complimentary series. Even though we've covered a lot in the 21 segments, we haven't even scratched the surface of what you need to know to be proficient at loan processing. As soon as you can, hop on over to our website, CompleteMortgageProcessing.com, and you'll see exactly what I mean. You can sample one of our training demos and get registered for our Loan Processing Solutions class. If you enjoyed this segment, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you know someone that might be helped by this information, please share it. Until next time, wishing you complete success.